going to call back another customer here.
Monarch Trigger, Vitaly speaking.
Hey, thanks so much for answering. This is Tim from Techie. We fixed your phone about a month ago, and I just want to see how things are going and if there's anything we can do for you.
No, everything is going good. Thank you for giving me a call. Everything is good so far.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Well, I would love to send you maybe a text message. Maybe you can leave us a nice review. That always helps our business.
Yeah, definitely. Send it my way. I'm driving right now, but I'll review you guys when I get back into the office.
I love it. What do you do for business?
I'm a private jet charter broker, so we also need so I definitely understand where you're coming from because we also send reviews to our clients. I'll be more than happy to give one to you guys.
Oh, that's huge. Thank you so much. And what? So you said you're a private jet, like you fly out private jets?
No, like I sell the charter flights on the private jets.
Oh, nice, nice. Now that I got your number, I'm gonna definitely have to hit you up because we're always flying like our franchise partners around too as well. So that I love that.
Sounds great. Yeah, if you guys have if you provide recommendations to me and then they end up flying, we can look into also splitting the commission or even giving you guys a percentage as well because that's what I usually do with referrals.
Love that. Love that. Cool. So I'll shoot you a text here from our personal cell phone number. If you could leave us a review, that'd be great. If you need any products purchased back, we also buy back electronic devices. And then I would love to do some business with you. You know, you give to us, we give to you, kind of work hand in hand.
Yeah, definitely. I actually wanted to give you guys another call. I have an MSI gaming computer.
Yeah.
And I think it's the screen is going bad because it's probably it was damaged from overheating because on the bottom it has these bottom streaks on the bottom. I don't know
Yeah, we custom build gaming systems. I mean, this is right up our wheelhouse. We can definitely handle this for you right away. So, are you looking to get this repaired today or resolved today, or what are you thinking?
No, not necessarily because I barely use the computer now. But I just wanted to know for the future when it gets really bad because right now it's still good. Or it's not bothering me too much, but in the future it's probably gonna get worse. So
yeah,
I'll probably for the future. Looks like that guy.
Awesome, love it. Well, come on in whenever you can. I would love to have you here, and I appreciate your time for today.
Sounds good. What is your name?
My name's Tim.
Nice to meet you, Tim. Yeah, definitely. Send me that text as soon as I get back in the office. I'll review you guys.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that, and you have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, so that's a little bit how we do it, right? Build that relationship. You saw how I kind of built a little common ground with him. That's going to allow the customer to open up a little bit more. When you're making these calls, don't make it so one-sided. You know, talk a little bit about what they do for work, and that's going to open up. If I just stayed one-sided, they would have never opened up and talked about another product that they probably needed serviced. So think about that when you're calling back these clients. Thank you. Yeah, so as you see in this call, following up is vital to your business. If you want to climb your sales up, you got to follow up. You just saw right here in this one call that we made, we're going to get a review and another repair that's coming in just off of one phone call. You have to follow up if you want your sales to climb.